And let's take a look at the sample profile real quick and see how it differs from the user 1 profile. I'm going to click Edit. Okay, so this also has Display File Browser tab and Profile pages checked. There's a limit here to the file size per upload. It's to 1 megabyte. And the maximum size of all of the files within a directory is 2 megabytes. There's no per user quota. And then there's only certain extensions allowed: GIF, PNG, and 2 versions of JPEG. Which means that even though IMCE can be used for things other than images, this particular role is limited to using just images. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. We have the maximum image resolution set to 800 by 600, and the ability to do bulk operations has been removed by adding a 1 here instead of a 0. And under directories, this user is set to use only directories under their username. So when the user uploads something, it will create a directory, if it doesn't exist already, called u, and then the number of the user. And the user has the ability to browse, upload, and create thumbnails, but not to delete or resize. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and it looks like there's only one thumbnail option for them. Let's go ahead and hit the back button,